Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Got a 2015 Pete 389 factory built glider kit to show you. Built a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed. It's only got 640,000 original miles and a fresh engine overhaul. I've got it hot, gonna do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, blow by and finish up on the inside and show you the oil pressure as well. Let's go ahead and get started. Blow by is excellent. Body and paint's extremely nice. Southern truck, no rust. Extremely clean on the inside as well. See the temps up. Oil pressure is fantastic on the low side. Super smooth through the RPMs. Oil pressure climbs just like she's supposed to. Guys, appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.